Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Hollowitz. Thank you for being here. I want to talk to you about a new feature in Act that came with its update last week. And it's something to do with how to send an email in Act Premium Cloud. So let me show you a couple things about what I want to try to accomplish. I have a contact on my screen, Wiley Coyote. Wiley is one of 13 contacts. If I sort of go through my contacts, I got the Roadrunner, Fred Flintstone, and a variety of contacts. What do I do if I want to send them all an email at one time? Well, I can send Wilma an email because all I have to do is go up and click on email. It will pop up Microsoft Outlook and take her email address and put it in the to field. But that's not really what I want to do. I want to send the same message to all these people. So one of the things I could do is I could go into Act Marketing Automation, create an email template, send it out to them. But that's a lot of work for what I'm trying to do. Second thing I could do is I could send a mail merge to email. So instead of printing it, I could send it to email. But that takes some steps as well. And this is just a real quick message. So let me show you how I do it. When I'm looking at my 13 contacts in the detail view, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the list view right here. So now I see them in the list view. I'm going to click somewhere away from the hyperlinks because I don't want to go to these items. I'm going to click on Acme Corporation here. I'm going to hold the Shift key down. And again, this isn't an Act trick. This is more of a Windows trick. And when I hold the Shift key down, I'm going to click on the last contact, and they all become selected. So I've selected all of them. Now, if I wanted to go through randomly and select things, I could do that. And instead of using the Shift key after I click on the first contact, I'll use the Control key to pick random contacts. If I click on a contact by mistake, while holding the Control key down, click on that contact a second time and they'll be deselected. So now I've got all these contacts selected. Let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go up and click on email. It's going to open up Microsoft Outlook and put all the email addresses for all these contacts into the to field. Now, what I would recommend you do is this. I'm going to come way over here to the right in the to field where there's no writing. I'm just going to click just to sort of tell Act, or Outlook, I should say, that I'm here. I'm in this field. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut, Control A as an apple. Again, I'm holding the Control key down and pressing A. And now I'm going to do Control X to cut them out of there. At this point in time, I'm going to put them all in the blind carbon copy field. And the reason you do that is because if you put them in the to field, everyone's going to know everyone else that got it. In this way, it only looks like they're the only recipient of the email. And there's reasons you might want to do that or not do that. That's something you have to decide. Now, another thing I'll mention here is sometimes your email provider, if you try to send this to too many people, it will block it. Questions about that, reach out to me, but that's all I'm going to say on that. So go easy on this. Usually I recommend 25 or less. But now I can write the subject, whatever it might be, I can write the message, hit send, and it will go out to all these contacts in this method. So it's something you can do. It's something you can work with. If you have any questions on this, don't hesitate to reach out. I do highly recommend cut them out of the to field and put them in blind carbon copy just because you don't want to share all those email addresses with everyone else. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. You have a great day. Bye now. Be well.